Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A56, and in this video I'm going to show you all possible checking options on IMEI.info page using the IMEI number of our phone. Okay, first we need to check what is our IMEI number. To check it, open up the phone app and type this code *#06 and hashtag. Above we can see our IMEI number, and now we just gotta enter it in this search bar. Then click on check IMEI. As you can see, our phone has appeared. Now we can keep scrolling down. We have some basic information about our device, such as operating system, the chipset, does it have built-in NFC, the battery and its capacity, the display. If you click on expand info, you can see more information. If you are interested in full device specification, all you need to do is to tap on this button and then go to parameters, and you have a long list. Okay, but let's go back. As we keep scrolling down, we have the basic checks and the advanced checks. Basic checks are completely for free, but when it comes to the advanced one, you need to pay for them. For basic checks, we have the random IMEI generator, the eSIM compatibility check, we can check our MAC address, we can generate random MAC address, we can add our device to the lost database, and we can perform the check of our lost device. When it comes to the advanced checks, we have the Samsung warranty and carrier blacklist check, Samsung Knox Guard info check, T-Mobile USA status check, Verizon check, Cricket USA check, Xfinity status check, and TracFone status check. Also we have the Samsung Outlook and the API and bulk address. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.